Welcome back to Mastering Print on Demand, your path to online success. In today's episode, we're diving into the crucial step of sourcing quality suppliers. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your supply chain, finding reliable suppliers is key to maintaining a successful print on demand business. Let's get started. The quality of your suppliers can make or break your print-on-demand business. Reliable suppliers ensure timely deliveries, high-quality products, and excellent customer service. This translates to satisfied customers and positive reviews, which are essential for your business growth. Let's explore some popular print-on-demand platforms where you can find reliable suppliers. Printful, known for its wide range of products and excellent quality control, is a favorite among entrepreneurs. Printify offers a diverse selection of products from various suppliers, giving you flexibility in pricing and quality. Guten is known for its efficient order fulfillment and integration with major e-commerce platforms. Evaluating suppliers is critical to ensure they meet your standards. This process involves a comprehensive assessment of various factors that can significantly impact your business operations and customer satisfaction. By thoroughly evaluating suppliers, you can ensure that you are partnering with reliable and high-quality sources that align with your business goals and values. This evaluation process is not just a one-time activity, but an ongoing effort to maintain and improve the quality of your supply chain. It involves continuous monitoring and reassessment to adapt to changing market conditions and customer expectations. Here are some key factors to consider when evaluating suppliers to ensure they meet your standards and contribute positively to your business success. Here are some key factors to consider. First and foremost, product quality is a critical aspect of supplier evaluation. The quality of the products you receive from your suppliers directly affects your brand reputation and customer satisfaction. Therefore, it is essential to order samples from potential suppliers to assess the quality firsthand. This allows you to examine the products closely and determine if they meet your standards. Look for consistency in quality across different batches and ensure that the products are free from defects. Additionally, consider the materials used in the production process and whether they meet your specifications. High-quality materials contribute to the overall durability and performance of the products, which is crucial for customer satisfaction and repeat business. Product quality. Order samples to assess the quality firsthand. Pay attention to print quality, material, and durability. The print quality of products, especially those with logos or designs, is an important factor to consider. Poor print quality can negatively impact the appearance and perceived value of the products. Inspect the print for clarity, color accuracy, and durability. Ensure that the print does not fade or peel off easily. The material used in the production of the products is another critical factor. Different materials have different properties, and it is important to choose materials that are suitable for the intended use of the products. For example, if you are sourcing clothing, consider the fabric's softness, breathability, and durability. For electronic products, consider the quality of the components and their performance. Durability is a key factor in product quality. Durable products are less likely to break or wear out quickly, which reduces the likelihood of returns and increases customer satisfaction. Assess the overall construction of the products and look for signs of durability, such as reinforced seams, sturdy components, and high-quality finishes. Pay attention to print quality, material, and durability. Another important factor to consider is production time. The ability of a supplier to meet your production deadlines is crucial for maintaining a smooth supply chain and meeting customer expectations. Delays in production can lead to stockouts, missed sales opportunities, and dissatisfied customers. Therefore, it is important to check the average production times of potential suppliers. Ask for detailed information about their production processes and lead times. Consider factors such as the complexity of the products, the availability of raw materials, and the efficiency of the production processes. Suppliers with streamlined and efficient production processes are more likely to meet your deadlines consistently. Additionally, consider the supplier's capacity to handle large orders or sudden increases in demand. A supplier with limited capacity may struggle to meet your needs during peak seasons or when your business experiences rapid growth. Look for suppliers with scalable production capabilities and a proven track record of meeting deadlines. Production time. Check their average production times to ensure they can meet your customers' expectations. Shipping speed is another critical factor in supplier evaluation. Reliable and fast shipping is essential for customer satisfaction and maintaining a competitive edge in the market. Delays in shipping can lead to frustrated customers and negative reviews, which can harm your brand reputation. Therefore, it is important to evaluate the shipping options offered by potential suppliers. Look for suppliers with efficient and trackable shipping methods. Trackable shipping allows you and your customers to monitor the progress of shipments and provides peace of mind. Consider the shipping carriers used by the suppliers and their reliability. Some carriers may offer faster and more reliable services than others. Additionally, consider the shipping costs and whether they are reasonable and competitive. High shipping costs can eat into your profit margins and make your products less attractive to customers. Look for suppliers who offer competitive shipping rates without compromising on speed and reliability. Shipping. Speed. Reliable shipping is crucial for customer satisfaction. Look for suppliers with efficient and trackable shipping options. Customer reviews are a valuable source of information when evaluating suppliers. Reviews from other sellers can provide insights into the supplier's reliability, product quality, and customer service. Look for reviews on professional supplier platforms or websites that display supplier ratings. Pay attention to both positive and negative reviews to get a balanced perspective. Positive reviews can highlight the strengths of the supplier, while negative reviews can reveal potential issues or areas for improvement. Consider the overall rating of the supplier and the number of reviews. A supplier with a high rating and a large number of reviews is likely to be more reliable than one with a low rating and few reviews. Additionally, look for patterns in the reviews. Consistent positive feedback on certain aspects, such as product quality or shipping speed, can indicate that the supplier excels in those areas. On the other hand, recurring negative feedback on certain issues, such as delays or poor customer service, can be a red flag. Look for suppliers with efficient and trackable shipping options. Customer reviews. Read reviews from other sellers to gauge their experiences with the supplier. Return policy is another important factor to consider when evaluating suppliers. A fair and transparent return policy is essential for handling any potential issues with defective products. It provides a safety net for your business and ensures that you can address customer complaints effectively. Evaluate the return policies of potential suppliers and ensure that they are reasonable and customer-friendly. Look for suppliers who offer clear guidelines on how to return defective products and the time frame for returns. Consider whether the supplier offers refunds, replacements, or store credits for returned products. Additionally, consider the ease of the return process. A complicated and time-consuming return process can frustrate customers and harm your brand reputation. Look for suppliers who offer a simple and hassle-free return process. Consider whether the supplier covers the return shipping costs, or if it is the responsibility of the customer. A supplier who covers the return shipping costs demonstrates a commitment to customer satisfaction and can enhance your business's reputation. Customer reviews. Read reviews from other sellers to gauge their experiences with the supplier. Return policy. Ensure the supplier has a fair return policy to handle any potential issues with defective products. In conclusion, evaluating suppliers is a critical process that involves assessing various factors such as product quality, production time, shipping speed, customer reviews, and return policies. By thoroughly evaluating suppliers, you can ensure that you are partnering with reliable and high-quality sources that align with your business goals and values. This evaluation process is not just a one-time activity, but an ongoing effort to maintain and improve the quality of your supply chain. It involves continuous monitoring and reassessment to adapt to changing market conditions and customer expectations. By considering these key factors, you can make informed decisions and build strong and lasting relationships with your suppliers, ultimately contributing to the success and growth of your business. Return policy. Ensure the supplier has a fair return policy to handle any potential issues with defective products. Let's take a closer look at how to find and vet suppliers on popular platforms. Printful. Navigate to the catalog and explore product categories. Check product details and order samples to evaluate quality. Printify. Use the supplier filter to choose the best match for your needs. Compare products from different suppliers and read reviews. Guten. Browse the product catalog and look for products with high ratings. Consider ordering sample kits to compare quality across multiple suppliers. Building a good relationship with your suppliers can significantly benefit your business communication. Maintain open lines of communication. Regularly check in with your suppliers and provide feedback consistency. Place regular orders to become a valued customer, which can lead to better service and potential discounts. Transparency. Be clear about your expectations and any specific requirements you have. This helps in avoiding misunderstandings and ensuring smooth operations. By sourcing reliable suppliers, you'll set a solid foundation for your print-on-demand business. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll discuss effective pricing strategies to maximize your profits. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest releases. Thank you for watching Mastering Print on Demand, your path to online success. See you in the next episode.